Education is often described as the foundation of a successful life, and the type of school one attends plays a crucial role in shaping their future. While there are debates about which is better, public or private schools, I firmly believe that public schools offer unmatched benefits to students, families, and communities. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Robis Timotheans, and today I will share why public schools are not just an affordable choice but a powerful platform for holistic development, inclusivity, and real world preparation. Hear the idea that private schools are better than public schools, but I don't agree. Public schools are the heart of our education system. They open their doors to every child, rich or poor, from all walks of life. This inclusivity is what makes our society strong. In public schools, students meet others from different backgrounds. It's like a big colorful family. They learn to get along, respect differences, and grow together. Public school teachers are heroes too. They work hard with limited resources, but their passion for teaching shines through. They care about their students' success and do their best to help them learn. The government also makes sure public school meet certain standards. There's a set of curriculum that gives students a solid foundation in all important subjects. And public schools offer a variety of activities that let students explore their interests. Public schools, on the other hand, can be very different. Some are great, but others may not be as good as they seem. They can be expensive, which means not everyone can afford them. And they might focus more on a certain type of students or have a different set of values. Conclusion, we should not assume that private schools are always better. Public schools have so much to offer and play a vital role in shaping the future of our country. Let's give them the support and recognition they deserve. Thank you.